Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fishkeeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so these are some chromide fries I have, right? And you are not new to me speaking about my chromide cichlids. However, for the past 3 to 4 months, if you have been watching my channel, you will realize that I have little or no videos on chromide cichlids. And that is because something happened to my over 3 dozen chromite cichlids. I took them inside to prepare them for sale, right? And I don't know why or how, but they started to die in twos. So I when it reached probably about 2 dozen, I put them back outside, but they continue to die. Like 2-3 per day, right? Eventually I realized that it stopped after doing some homemade stuff and treating the situation. I realized that I had four left, but the four I had left, I was unsure as to whether or not they were male or female. So I divided the batch. Well, I divided the four of them in twos, and I sat and I wait. And after 3 months, I was able to see some amount of fries. These are not nearly half of the amount in which I normally get. I normally get like 3 dozen fries, 4 dozen fries at one go, right? And as you can see right now, I don't think this is total 12. This is probably about 10. I think there's about 2 different batches in this. I removed the parents because what the parent was doing was picking off the older ones, the ones that were there, but I did not know that they had flies in the tub. Now I am not using my GoPro to actually get a visual imagery underwater, because as soon as I do that, they actually, because they're very fine, they actually find themselves in between algae and some other stuff within the space, and I'm unable to see them. Now they are at the surface. I'm trying my very best to get some amount of video clippings on them. So it is hoped that hopefully by December of this year, I'll be able to get probably 2 more batches of chromide cichlids. I was a little bit nervous because this cichlid is not really available as much as it might seem easily available where you are throughout the world. But chromide cichlids are not really available presently in Jamaica. A matter of fact, a pet shop actually communicated with me that they wanted a few, and that's the reason why I initially took them from the space, placed them indoors, and was actually doing my process, doing due diligence, getting them sorted out so as to get them sold. And they just started to die off. It is hoped that I can share more as they grow, and my nerves is at a little bit more relaxation mode as my chromite cichlid stock actually starts to look up. I know that this might seem like much ado about nothing for many, but for me, having 3-4 dozen chromite cichlid was the norm, right? And right now I only have 2 adult chromite cichlids and roughly nearly a dozen fries. So thank you very much for stopping by. Oh, I placed a mesh. I took the parents out, and I placed a mesh over the 55-gallon drum cut, right? And this ensures that the Cuban tree frog doesn't go in it and actually lay the eggs. Now it is at this time of year that the Cuban tree frog actually try to spawn as much babies, or should I say, lay as much babies as possible in water space, right? And what I've done is to, where in which I am unable to, like, protect small fish from these Cuban tree frog, you know, eggs being hatching in wherever. A mesh is actually placed over it. Those without the mesh, I can guarantee that if they do lay their eggs in these spaces, the babies will be, that the babies of the Cuban tree frog will actually be consumed. Peace out, guys. Catch you next time. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Peace out.